Hi guys, welcome to Hungry Rasoi. Today we're going to prepare chili mushroom prawn spaghetti. So let's check with the ingredients. First we need 50 grams of prawns and 50 grams of mushrooms. Then 2 to 3 dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons chopped spring onion greens, 1 tablespoon red chili paste, 2 tablespoons chopped carrots, 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum, half tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon sugar, then 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons chopped onions, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, and spaghetti. First, we have to boil some spaghetti in a pot of hot boiling water. We have to boil the spaghetti for 10 minutes. After the spaghetti has been boiled, we will rinse the spaghetti from the boiling water and then wash it with the cold water. After washing it well with the cold water, now we will add half tablespoon oil to the spaghetti and mix it well. Then we will add prawns and mushroom in the hot oil. And then we have to add little bit of salt and pepper powder, and we have to saute it, both the prawns and mushroom, for 2 minutes. After the prawns and the mushrooms has been sauteed for 2 minutes, then we will add oil in the same used cooking pan. We will add 2 dry red chilies, then add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, then add half tablespoon ginger paste and saute it until it turns little bit of golden. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of red chili paste and we will saute it until the oil releases. After it has been sauteed, then we will add chopped onions, then chopped carrots and chopped capsicum. Then we will saute it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. After it has been sauteed, then we will add 1 tablespoon salt and half tablespoon sugar. Then add half tablespoon of pepper powder, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, then add sauteed prawns and mushrooms to the mixture. Then add boiled spaghetti and spring onion greens and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then we will mix it all together in a low flame. After mixing it all together, then chili mushroom prawn spaghetti is ready to serve. Do like and share this video with your family and friends and subscribe our channel. Prepare this dish at your home and share your views in our comment section. Thank you.